So with that, I think we'll get underway and call the regular meeting of Township Council for the purpose of public hearing and development permits to order. Ms. Bauer, I believe we can leave the introduction to public hearing until after the presentations. Can I get a motion to adopt the agenda items, please? Moved by Councillor Pratt, seconded by Councillor Martins. A show of hands. All those in favor? Anyone opposed? And that carries unanimously. And I'll move on to B1, presentations for the Brookswood Junior basketball team, girls basketball team, and Jack McEwen. Really want to appreciate and congratulate the Brookswood girls team, Brookswood secondary junior girls basketball team for winning the 2023 junior girls basketball provincials at the Langley Event Center this season here. Really an incredible accomplishment. Congratulations to each and every one of you for that accomplishment. And also to congratulate Jack McEwen, who is a DW Poppy secondary student who has recently captured gold at the U19 Canadian Wrestling Championships this past March in Vancouver. So with that, we would give presentations again on behalf of Langley Township Council and myself. Congratulations again, and we really commend you on the accomplishments, and congratulations again. And when we call your name, please come and collect your certificate. And I was going to ask Councillor Pratt to join me to help. We played basketball at the same school. Never won a provincial, though, so I'm a little jealous. So Emma Chorney. Did I pronounce that correctly? If I get them wrong, please let me know. I need to practice. Next one is Hannah Easton. Sydney Fuoco. Did I get that correct? Fiocco. Georgia Hunt. Congratulations. I'm going to get this wrong, but I'm going to try again. Emma Lenhoff. Lenhoff? Lenhoff. There we go. I did try to practice earlier, but still made mistakes. Congratulations. Jordan Knorr. Again, congratulations. Charlotte McCallum. Taylor McMillian. Did I get that right or wrong? McMillan. Spell wrong. So Natalie's going to arrange a replacement certificate for you.
Happens all the time, more than you expect.
It'll be replaced. No, Natalie's going to replace that for you. Yeah. Sam Pogue. Mac Pogue. McKenna Robinson? Not here. Okay, so you accept. Carly Taylor? Taylor Welsh. Okay, I'm going to get this wrong too. Ashley Vandeven. Not too bad. Okay. Yeah. And head coach Chrissy Knorr. And assistant coach Laura Lenhoff. And manager Tierney Vanda Vloot. Right? Did I get that right? See, I tried. Congratulations. When you want to do a group one as well, or do a group one? It's going to be a big one. Okay.
Stand on the desks behind them. We stand up?
I don't know.
Yes? No?
Should we all be in it? I think you guys are good. You got this. Yeah.
Caught me off guard. Okay. So again, congratulations, and congratulations on your victory. Next up, Jack McEwen. Congratulations. And Lucky Dollywall. They wrote Lucky on the sticky note for me. Yeah. Great. Congratulations. Good job. Okay, excellent. Congratulations. Yeah, why don't we do one more? Both of us? Yeah.
Everybody else is here to see you guys talk about everything else. It is your yeah.
I don't even know who's here actually for the public hearing.
There were two.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ms. Bauer, want to read the introduction now? please. Thank you very much.
A public hearing is a statutory requirement under Section 464 of the Local Government Act and must be held before third reading of a community plan, land use contract amendment bylaw, heritage designation bylaw, or heritage revitalization agreement bylaw. During a public hearing, council acts in a quasi-judicial role for the purpose of allowing persons who believe their interest in the property is affected by the bylaw, permit, or other matter to make representations to council either orally or by written submission, or add comments or elaborate on correspondence that they may have already been presented to council concerning the bylaws. It is important to note that council is not in a position to receive any additional information on the bylaws following the public hearing as dictated by case law. The hearing procedure involves an explanation from the Community Development Division on the purpose of the proposed bylaw and to hear from individuals regarding the bylaws. In order to ensure that all interested parties have a reasonable opportunity to be heard, speakers are requested to keep their representations as brief and succinct as possible and no longer than 5 minutes, excluding time required for questions from council. Speakers will be asked to state their name, neighborhood, and city for the record. If referring to a prepared remarks, to submit copies of these to the township clerk. Decorum must be maintained at all times. This includes refraining from applause, booing, or heckling. To assist with large numbers of speakers, individuals must advise the township clerk and sign the speakers list prior to the commencement of the public hearing. The names on the speakers list will be read out during the hearing. Individuals who have already addressed council and wish to add further submissions will wait until the people who have not yet addressed council have had the opportunity to speak. All submissions and speakers lists are considered part of the public record. Council members should not express their views nor debate the bylaws, but may question speakers to clarify particular points in the submissions. Council may consider third reading or third reading and final adoption at this meeting or at the next regular meeting to be held May 8th, 2023 in this room.
Great, thank you. Mr. Richardson, item D1.
Thank you, Worship. The subject Alder Grove Community Plan Amendment and rezoning applications pertain to a proposed residential development consisting of 32 single-family lots at 26739 and 26771 24th Avenue. The 4.44-acre site is designated low-density residential in the Alder Grove Community Plan. This air photo depicts a site located at the northwest corner of 24th Avenue and 268th Street. Proposed Alder Grove Community Plan Amendment Bylaw 5857 increases the low-density residential permitted density on a site-specific basis from 9 units to 9.75 units per acre. Proposed rezoning Bylaw 5858 amends the existing suburban residential 2 zoning to residential zone R1A and residential complex zone RCLA to accommodate 32 single-family lots. This slide indicates the proposed site plan, including watercourse reconstruction on the southerly portion of the site, secured through proposed Streamside Development Permit 101400. Staff recommends support of Alder Grove Community Plan Amendment Bylaw 5857 and rezoning Bylaw 5858, subject to 10 conditions listed on page 6 of Council's agenda. Your Worship, a total of 62 notices were mailed out, 4 written submissions have been received, and we have no individuals noted on the speakers list.
Great, thank you. So with that, I'll call for submissions from the public. The second time, call for submissions from the public. And for a third time, any submissions from the public? Seeing none, seeing no proponent in the audience, I'll close the public hearing for item D1. And as per the clerk's note, see if there's any interest from council from considering third reading. Moved by Councillor Ferguson. Is there a seconder? Seconded by Councillor Van Popta. I'll call the question on whether or not to consider third reading. That carries with Councillor Richter opposed. Is someone wish to move third reading for this application? Moved by Councillor Ferguson. Is there a seconder to that? Seconded by Councillor Van Popta. Is there any discussion on item D1? Seeing none, I'll call the question on D1. That carries with Councillor Richter opposed. Get a motion to terminate. Moved by Councillor Martin, seconded by Councillor Van Popta. All those in favor of termination. Meeting terminated. Thank you very much.